Hi, welcome to the channel. Please like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Hi, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to give you an oven style roasted jerk chicken. So a lot of people don't have a grill, so we're going to do one that you can do in your oven. And later on in the show, maybe another episode, we're going to do one and we'll do it on the grill. Don't forget, subscribe, share, like, tell a friend, leave a comment. Alright, that's what we're going to do now, okay? We're going to break the chicken down. Alright, so you'll break the chicken down. You got to feel for it, okay? There's a bone right here in the middle of it. Let's turn the other way. You want to cut against this bone right here, this little bone right here. You can feel it like a wishbone on the two sides. They call it a wishbone. Alright, you want to cut against that. Keep your knife as closely onto the bone while you're cutting it. See that? Closely onto the bone. And while you keep it onto the bone, you feel for the joint as well. See that? Turn around again. Show you. See that? Yeah. And for this, you want to feel for the joint as well. Again, and if you don't feel for the joint, you can just go ahead and just slice it with a sharp knife like that. I'll show you. This is the wings as well. You want to get the wing off on that. So you see that? Yeah. And then you're going to break this in two. Feel for the joint again. Always cut in the joints. See that? Joints. Leg. Thigh. Then the breast. Normally I cut the breast in two. So I get like a wing on the breast and a piece of breast as well. I'm keeping the skin on it. Normally I don't really keep the skin on it, but I'm gonna keep the skin on it. They do the same thing for the other one, okay? You gotta feel for it, like right in the sternum bone, right here. You know, you gotta feel for that. This is the sternum. And this is a piece of wishbone. This is the wishbone right here. Right here. I'll show you. See? Piece of the wishbone. That's it. You want to feel for that and cut against the wishbone. Alright? See that? Keep your knife onto the bone like. Don't lose your knife off the bone. Okay? Right here. Cut that. Cut that. Come back over this side. You don't have to flip it, but I'm just flipping it so you can see the camera. And this side, what you can do too, you just use your hand and go like that. When you go back on the other side, you're going to see the joint right here. It's connected, and let's cut it like that. See? Voila. Then any excess fat that you don't want, you can trim it off like this little piece. I'm going to trim it off. Excess fat right here. Even though the fat make it taste better, but you know, we don't need the fat. You feel for the joint as well. Again, cut within the joint, okay? See that? Nice. The wing, you treat it the same way. If you want to cut the wing off, you feel for the joint as well too. Always the joints. Cut that off. You see, so you have a wing to itself right there. And this is the back. In Jamaica, it's like gold. So what I do, I'm just going to jerk it like that. I'm going to cut it in three and jerk it like that. You got to be careful with it. You'll cut finger off with this thing. Okay, that's so nice. So it's break down well right here. And I already washed the chicken with a little bit of vinegar as well. I always wash it with vinegar, okay? So right now we're working on the spice, the jerk marinade to go inside of the chicken, okay? So we have scallion, ginger, thyme, and onion, okay? And this is a special marinade we've been talking about in a couple of videos that we shoot already. We got garlic in here, we got thyme, we got cilantro, we got basil, we got a whole lot of herbs in here. We even got onion in here as well. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, and this is the jerk season that I make from scratch, which I'm going to show you guys how to make this on a different channel, okay? So we're going to go ahead and we're going to start the marinade. So a little bit of salt. And don't forget, this salt is not too spicy. So that's one of the reasons why I'm using it, okay? This is spicy, so we can tolerate the spice, but if you can't, don't put too much in there. Maybe a tablespoon is good for a whole chicken, okay? And then with the green herb rub now, I try to put a lot on it. That's where the flavor is too as well. And we put a little bit of oil as well. You know, you can't really make a marinade without oil. Okay, so a little bit of oil. This is grapeseed oil. And then here's the browning. And you guys can make your own browning in the house with sugar. Burn a little bit and add some water to it. Okay? Alright. So now I'm going to cut these fresh herbs. Put it inside of it just to give it a little bit of flavor. Now you can cut these as fine as you want. You know? Small as you want. Or as big as you want. It doesn't matter. What you can do, you can shake off the herbs before you roast them. And then use these herbs to make a little bit of sauce to eat with it. I'll show you. Or what you can do, even though roasted in the oven, what you can do is just, after it's like almost finished, you just pour the sauce back into the pan and let it go for another minute into the oven, and then you get sauce right there. Juicy chicken. Okay? So that's my scallion inside there. Ginger, we use a lot of ginger in Jamaica, so. And if you want, you can even put some cinnamon into your jerk chicken as well. A little bit of cinnamon is in this jerk chicken raw. If you have a grater, you can grate this ginger as well into it if you don't want to have the time to chop it up fine. But you know, we got time. We ain't going nowhere, so. Alright. And for the onion, and don't forget we have garlic in the rub as well, so mix up all of that. And if you want, you can put a little bit of balsamic vinegar in here as well. You know, it go well with it as well. Like we could take a little bit more browning, so I'm gonna put a little bit more browning in here. Okay. All right. Okay. It's good. Now I'm gonna add the chicken in. And we're gonna marinate this for 24 hours, okay? So we're gonna massage in this. Make sure all the chicken get a little bit of this herb and jerk chicken rub on it, okay? Some people put Old Bay in here, but no, I don't. This is my way I normally do it. No? You can put a bay leaf in there, but because I'm doing it this way, I decided to, you know what, the bay leaf ain't gonna put a lot of flavor. But what you can do with your bay leaf, you can make it into your rub. Just a couple bay leaf into my jerk sauce as well, and a couple of allspice cloves as well in there. So you massage it good, and it's gonna sit for 24 hours. All right. Check to make sure all the meat has some stuff on it, because you don't want some of the meat not to get any of this nice marinade, okay? Yes, so as you guys already know, the peas been soaking from last night. Right now I got scallion, scotch bonnet, thyme, and a little bit of garlic in here. And this rice is gonna go with some oven roasted jerk chicken. This is one way if you don't got an outside grill, you can do it in the oven, okay? And we got 1/4 rice right here. We got coconut milk. So when we normally do this, say we soak the peas overnight in water, and then it probably take half an hour to cook, maybe 15 to 20 to half an hour to cook. After that, then you can start add the rest of the stuff like the garlic, the escallion or scallion, whatever you call it, thyme. You can put bay leaf if you like bay leaf, but I'm not putting any bay leaf in this one, okay? And your habanero, scotch bonnet pepper, okay? All right, so oven hot. I like to hot my container, so I'm getting it hot. Now we're gonna drop the jerk chicken inside of it, okay? All right. So we talked about this is the oven roast chicken that we marinate last night. So now we're gonna put it in here. Get a little bit of sear on it as well when it goes in the pot. Oh, that smells good. So this is been marinating for 24 hours. So you even can leave it, let it marinate for 48 hours if you want. The longer it marinate, more flavor in it, tastes better, okay? Yeah. So this is the oven roasted style. Alright. So now we're gonna pop it back in the oven. We're gonna show you the time that we set up on it when we pop it in the oven. So you can get an idea of how long it's supposed to be in the oven for. Alright? Alright. So pop it back in the oven. Like that, oven hot. And I'm thinking 350 on it for an hour and a half. Alright, so now we're about to finalize the rice. Coconut milk already in. So we're going to put the rice in. And this is a quarter rice. I normally cook a quarter rice. With the rice and peas now it's a bit tricky. It's a bit different from when you're cooking like a regular rice. Because you're not going to sure to the amount of water you have in here. You're going to have to judge it with eyes, okay? And everybody's supposed to know to cook rice. It's very easy to cook. It doesn't take long to cook. So when you look in your rice, and when you touch your rice with a spoon, if you can feel the rice closest to the spoon, you need more water, okay? This is a judge. Normally, you know what I'm saying? Half an inch up from the spoon with water, okay? Yeah, so I'm stirring it up. You can see what it look how nice already, the coconut milk in there. All those herbs. So this is what it looked like after 1 hour. But what you're gonna need some sauce to kind of eat with it as well. So what I normally do, all of the stuff that's in the bottom, the same pot that I marinated with, I save it and I add a little bit of water to it. See that? And now I'm going to pour it in on the side, not on top of the chicken, on the side, okay? Pouring it on the side. Alright? Not on top of the chicken, on the side. And I'm gonna put it in back for another 15 minutes, maybe a 300, because right now it's perfectly cooked. So just to get the sauce on the chicken, raw chicken that you pour back into it to cook off, okay? And season that's in the sauce as well. Alright? So yeah, so this is what the rice is supposed to look like. Nice and shelly. See that? Try not to eat the pepper, okay? I normally try to put the pepper on the side. That's the pepper right here. Try not to eat it, it's spicy. I can eat it, but you don't eat it. Yeah, see that? Shelly rice. Cook quick and it's very shelly. So you're gonna see the end product when we plate it up later, okay? Yeah. So yeah, we're frying some plantain right now. This plantain gonna go with the jerk chicken over here. Oven style roasted jerk chicken. Give you guys a closer look at it. See that? Nice. Remember we poured a little bit of sauce in there. You can see the sauce down in the bottom right there. See that? Nice. Going with this plantain right here. When we come back, you guys gonna see the plate up, okay? Alright, this is the end product right here you're looking at. Oven roasted style jerk chicken. We got some fried plantain, some avocado, some rice and peas, garnished with a little bit of tomato and some flowers. Look at that, huh? Let me zoom in for you so you guys can get a greater look at it. Look at those plantain, perfectly fried. Huh? Beautiful. Look at that, huh? Rice, shelly and nice. Avocado cut nice. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like. Tell a friend to tell a friend. See you next time. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, even tell another friend to tell a friend. Thank you.